how to deposit checks via Ally mobile app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit checks via Ally mobile app. Now, this saves you some time from going to the bank itself just to deposit your checks. So let's get started. First, let's just head over to Ally's website to see what they have to say about this. So the first thing is obviously you will need to have the Ally mobile app. And after you do so, to make your deposit, you'll need to log in into the app. Make sure the app is up to date to its latest version, so the deposit checks feature is available. Then after you do so, you can then choose your account and then tap on deposit checks. After you tap on deposit checks, you'll need to take the photo of your check. So just take a photo of your check in a well-lit location, place it on a dark, non-reflective background. After you do so, you can then make sure that you see all the edges of the check and also all the routing and account numbers. Then check the amount and then tap on submit your deposit. So yeah, that's basically how you do so. And it's pretty simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. And that's it.